to create videos using StreamYard and also how we can edit the video afterwards. Now, obviously, I'll go into a lot of it later, but for obvious reasons, I can't record the beginning part. So what I have to do is I've had to take screenshots of that. So I'll do that now. So to get started, you need to have someone live on it. So we're having this. Although, like I said, I haven't got a webcam on this computer. I do actually have like on my laptop, which is where I normally do the streaming from. Because my laptop's a little bit older, it can't run DaVinci, which is this here. So basically, to get started, if you want to present, you're sharing the screen, yeah. So pop-up window comes up here, and you need to basically share the entire screen. So allow that, and then as you can see, it goes into this screen here now. So before that happens, well, I'm going to open up some images which are in, I've made it easy to find, it's in there. So when you first open up, this is the picture, see? So this is what you get presented with at the beginning. You click on this button here, and then that will take you to, so then once you open that up, you get this screen come up. Your source is the studio, and you select a destination, which if you haven't actually got one of these like destinations in the beginning, you'll get like, you click on the plus, and then you select what channel it is that you want to upload to. And in this case, this is the Lee Miller channel. You select on that. I mean, I think with the free version, you can screen to Facebook as well, and things like that, and even like X. So anyway, I selected this L. So then you obviously like type in your name, the description, and then you click on this button. It may take like a little while, normally no more than like 20 seconds to open the stream up. And then this one. So then you type in your name. Make sure your mic's working. So if we speak into your mic, this little green bit here will go up. Type in your name and then press Enter Studio. So then you'll have this here. You need to click on that, and then it'll say something like Add to Stage. You click on that, and then that'll pop up in here. Then you click on Go Live, and then Go Live again, and then you'll be at the beginning of this video again. So where were we? So we don't need this until the end now. So now we're back to here again, where we're sharing the actual like screen that we're viewing here. So to begin, I'm going to add the Eastlight intro. We get back to the screen share. So you'd normally have it open where you wanted to go, yeah. So it'll go straight to that screen. So a couple of things else I wanted to show you is comments. So as it says here, this is actually live viewer comments show up in StreamYard. This is an example. Click on a comment to show it on the screen. So over on YouTube, where this live stream is occurring, you'll have like someone say something, you know, hello Lee, can you explain something? Yeah. Now, say this is like the live, so that you can basically put that there and it'll show it up in here. I don't know if you've seen other YouTubers do that, but yeah, that's basically how that happens. We can hide it again. Same in private chat. So if you're streaming and you say you need like a comfort break or something, you can just type in here, I'm just popping out, I'm desperate to go to the toilet or something like that, or I need a drink. Then you can type that in there and only the participants can see that comment. So they'll know that you're disappearing and someone else needs to start talking. So if we go back to let's go back to our screen. So now I'm going to get on with the rest of this is how simple StreamYard is to use. So go over to Blackmagic Design. Yeah, again, you can get the link from the video from the forums. So you click on DaVinci Resolve and that'll take you here. And you scroll down, click this button, wait for it to download. I don't know what browser you're using, but most of them have a lot of download things. So you click on that, that'll have an exe file in here. You click on that and wait for it to install, go through all the questions and everything, and then open it up. So we'll go to DaVinci. That might take a little while because it's actually a massive program. Untitled project. I'm just going to head back over here quick to StreamYard to make sure. Yeah, he's sharing the screen. Right, so once you've finished streaming, you basically end the stream and it'll come down with another drop down button here and say, do you want to end? You know, and you click it and then it'll give you this screen. So you click on the share, yeah, and then download recording. Yeah, so you can, it's still what you've created has actually already been made and it's there to view on YouTube, but we want to download this recording. So you download recordings, click on that, and then you get a little window pop up here and you just click on download the recording. Yeah, so that's all of it. You don't want the audio or the transcript, you just want this, and then it'll start downloading. So then once it's downloaded, it'll be in beneath this little thing here. You select on it and bring it down to DaVinci. Once you're on there, we want to go to edit, and it gives you basically a screen here. So anyway, once you select this, you can play it now. Good morning. So this is going to be a little bit more of a guidance video, if you like. I'm not scripted this. I got up about an hour ago and I thought, right, okay, I'm going to sit down and I'm going to do a video on how to create videos. The slight intro, so we can add that now. Let's fine tune the beginning a little bit. So we'll go back to the beginning here. The slight intro, so we can add that now. Now I'm going to pause this now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to obviously you don't want to be sitting here watching 2 minutes of this, so we'll turn back out again, and we can see where the music ends. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it there. So I'm going to ripple cut that out, and we want to zoom back in. It'll always zoom in where the red thing is, yeah. And with our select button, I'm going to, you see this little white thing that appears? You move this like that and it will fade out. So, and obviously you want to do the same with the audio as well. Zoom back in again. Go from here. StreamYard. I've got in here. I've got the E-Slide intro, so we can add that now. So I'll fade that out. So there we are. That has a bit of extra in there we didn't want, so we'll cut that out as well. No, we won't. We need to zoom in. So if you make a cut that you don't want it, just press Control Z on your computer, and that'll take that or Command Z, I think it is on Apple. So just slowly track back, and we can take it to here. And if you want, you can do the same with this end as well. So we'll fade in out on here, and we're going to fade in a little bit on the video. But that 406 is seconds. So it will take 3 seconds to load back in. Not going to do that with the audio this time. The E-Slide intro, so we can add that now. So there we are. That's the beginning part done. But what I would have done in a real live video is I would have gone to a page that you wanted to start the actual video on. So we're going to just start here on the forum, but yeah. So StreamYard is free. Would have gone to a page that you wanted to start the actual video on. So here we can, in this part, we can add text to our video. And as you see, like we've got like this section over here called Fusion Titles. I'm going to use, actually, let's have a look, yeah. I like the blue one. So it comes with a blue background. Oh, no, it's a black background in this one. So we're going to, you click and hold this, yeah. So click with the left mouse key, hold it down, and then move it above here. So and then up here we can put, let's say, I don't know how I'm quite going to show you the beginning part before I start recording, and then type in what you want. So I'll show this at the beginning of the video with images. Right, so as you can see, it goes off there. So we can change the font stuff here. So what you do, make it smaller, you click and hold and drag it to the left to make it smaller, and to the right to make it bigger. So there we've got our video. and you can change the colour and everything really. So we'll have it in light, regular, semi-bold and bold. Semi-bold is actually alright. See, and then obviously you've got all these to choose from as well. It's not just that one. There's loads of them. And if we scroll back to if we scroll back to this bit here, we can see that this is how I've got streaming soon. And the other text that shows up. So let's go back to here again. Zoom out. Again, you can play around with it. And just like start creating streams. That's quite easy. I don't know how I'm quite going to show you the beginning part before I start recording. I'll have to give that some more thought. If you want it to go a bit longer, you just like hover the mouse over the end and move it along. You know, you hold on, yeah. You hover over with the mouse, click with your left mouse button and hold it down, and then drag it however long you want it to be, and then obviously you can fade it out. That's quite easy. I don't know how I'm quite going to show you the beginning part before I start recording. I'll have to give that some more thought. Anyway, to get started, we need to. I think I'm going to end it there. Obviously, you can we'll have another one of these. And we'll say thanks for watching. And that's that. And we can fade all of this out. I mean, what I'm thinking about doing for the East Light stuff is adding like that what do you call it? It's here, isn't it? I'm going to add this like this East Light. I'm going to modify this and have it put as an end as well. So back to DaVinci. So the final thing you want to do once you're happy with your video, you select this like rocket here, and you select on YouTube, you give it a title. Let's call it Create Videos for Free. And browse to the location where you want to save it. I'm going to put mine in this East Light thing. When we save, now you can actually select on this, yeah. And then if you haven't already done it, it will upload it directly once it's finished to YouTube. Well, I'm not going to do that. So we add it to the render queue, and then we render all. So that's done, yeah. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to head over to, so if we go back into our forums again, I'm going to show you something else what you can do. So if we can go into Canva, and I'm already there as well, so I'm just going to go into my account, Let's go into templates actually. Yeah, I'll just choose that. Customize your template, and then we can like add whatever we want in here. Obviously I haven't got like the logo at hand. I'm going to make that smaller so it fits. And you just modify it to your own needs. So once that's done, we'll share it, download it. We don't want it in a PDF, we want it in JPG. That's about the right size. All pages. We just want page 1. Oh. Typical, I didn't realise it was one of these. Just page 1. And then done. Now you download it. So that's there for a reason, so we want to see it, and then we'll just retitle it background screenshot. Remember the name. So once you're done there, you go to YouTube, and where is it? Oh, plus create upload video. Select the file that you want to upload. So mine was in Eastlight 1, wasn't it? Which is this. When I upload the screenshot, which was in the background screenshot. So that's your actual your thumbnail. You need to go make sure it's not made for kids. If you're thinking about advertising revenue later on, if you add it, yes, it's made for kids, you won't get any ad revenue. No. Don't allow remixing comments and that on. So next, add an end screen, and then that's done. So make sure it's public, and then publish it, and then you've got your link here. Yeah, copy that, and then if it's for the forums, just make sure you put it in the right in the right category, or do what you want with your video. So that, in a nutshell. Oh, I'll just show you quickly how to add it to. You click on here, start a new topic. Yeah, and hit Control and then V, and then it will put create video for free in there. See, and you've got your lovely picture, and that is it. Submit the topic, and then you've got your post in the forums. I hope you like that. If you've got any questions or about this sort of thing, down in, make sure you put it down here in the it's got to be in live streams, and then support. Yeah, just start your new post, and then add your questions in here if you want to know more about what I've just shown you. So that was quite long-winded, that video, wasn't it? So anyway, that's it. That's done. I hope you enjoyed that. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.